Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyBets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. Welcome to Amavenzo to TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Orlando Pirates 0, Pyramid 0. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the link to become a member. I'm joined by Mr. Ita Kayamano.
Sibonga ukusho kahle kubani.
Killer Walikhosi.
Awe Sibo kokuqala ngithi congratulations mpintshami ukuthi ube nama brand hey uzazile namuhla. Yeah. Le camera le ibulela amehlo boy. Yeah. But anyway, and guys ngifuna ukusho something ne. Yabona Orlando Pirates ayadelela mfethu. Iyadelela too much and the way delela ngakhona angithandanga le ndlela eyenza pyramid vele le team le bedlala la. Yes kunini bacabuza utshani wala eSouth Africa bakore nge-offside ne bayocabuza utshani babuya bakore ngesandla bocabuza utshani futhi. But anyway mina I'm happy ngoba ngiyezwa nangale Love Stars ngale nakhona kungene 2 goal ngibakhansela ngoba kube laba bangale mpintshami abayibalile lela goal ora bangawabalanga lawo babale lawo ora lawo bangawabalanga mpintshami bazobala lawo bezothuka omunye ubaba onganaqala
Mubi man.
Bekazothuka bathi njengoba aphethe ba benefita kwenzeke kahle mpintshami ukuthi ngakhanseleka woyi2
Ngiyakuthola
ngoba bekuzoba iproblem
enkulu.
Problem enkulu but anyway namuhla bengibasupporta bona kancane yabona laba ukuthi bawine you understand but yazi nginesizathu why namuhla cishe yabona namakhala cishe bengigcoke
waparejwe wena
mara le black label le black label yabo lalela yazi why bengigcokile ngike ngacabanga ukuthi bakhona abantu abadenkayo abaku management ye Orlando Pirates. So sometimes mangabe ubona umuntu osesikhundleni esikhulu or umntwana kababukhoza akuthanda ngaleyo ndlela le makadibana nawe you understand. So sometimes kumele ubonge ukuthi no guys ngiyabonga ngiyasaluta ngoba like ama support amaningi we Pirate uma babona ukhila bacanga ukuthi ukhile ikhanda lekho right or kanjani but abantu abanengcondo baya understand ibhola bamthanda ukhila the way akhuluma ngakhona and lana ama fans wethu so ngithe mangidibana nomuntu wePirate makathi khila hey uyagula but uyabona the way asho ngakhona akhuluma as uyasupport ama fans wethu and bawabukela ama fans wethu upositive nami ngabona ukuthi okay kahle labantu laba silwa nabo 90 minutes. After 90 minutes kumele sizwane like as ama support you understand. Cabanga ama player mfethu wona ayalwa 90 minutes after bayodla bonke baphuze bonke like babe kamnandi maybe babe nabo cherry bonke ba round yabona but thina as a support umuntu uzozukhila namuhla khulume kabi ngePirate then kusasa mangidibana nami emall uzokhuluma izinto ezingekho right you understand. So one day bengu live mfethu ne ngangena enye out esupporta iPirate hayi Pirate Sundowns be support Sundowns yathi ifuna ubulala mina noThami nopapa wawo just imagine just imagine and it's seriously out it's serious bathu Moki or Rubano Moki what ekhila wena no PhD no papa wawo ngifuna ukunibulala guys lana sizo supporta la you understand and mina mangabe kumele ngikhulume kabi ngeSundowns ngizokhuluma kabi mangabe kumele ngikhulume kabi ngePirate ngizokhuluma kabi so ayikho into ekhona you understand but anyway asikho lapho congratulations ku Orlando Pirates but mfethu nayi into emfuna ukutshela yona yabona ama team oyi2 la ekhaya lawa njengoba hluleka ukora la ekhaya ikhona eyi1 angeke zibuye believe me one of them angeke izibuye
Ipakania.
no angiyazi bakhona angeke baze babuye empintshami to be honest abantu angeke baze babuye empintshami ilaba bebadlala ePitori kuyoba nzima ukuthi babuye Sundowns angeke zibuye never yabona mangabheka ilevel ye-Pirate igame ye-Pirate anamuhla ne i-Pirate okay beyidlala nale le pyramid abeyidlala but i-level cisho same level uye lapha eLoftus ubheka i-level benamuhla alakh bezambele izohamba la ekhaya la what about le
Indoda.
what about le and kunama support amaningi la ngale understand so ngifuna ukutshela ukuthi hayi angeke baze babuye
Man of the match.
Man of the match without fear Mpinjami without favor uchayile
Sipho Chayile.
yeah Sipho Chayile
Thank you.
yeah hayi ngamthanda ufana no hot yeah
Unama number wakhe.
no ngiwayenzeni nethi ngamthanda as a player la eMzansi yabo yeah ngamthanda
Amthanda ukuthi umbonele ngabo 10,000.
hayi ngofunana hayi no
Manyala.